Hi everybody, urgent situation. Today I have a couple of custom orders for my emoji key holders or charms for bags. So I have to make them. I will use my pattern like this, and it will be they will be made in yellow and in pink. So first I have to cut the round shapes. The customer wants boys and girls, so I have to make it. And the second one. Now we have them. The metal parts are here, and now I have to mark the place for the eyes. Here, here, scary one, but I will make it. Let's make the eyes. Okay, I did it. Now I have to stick the black leather on the back like this, and let's see. Yes, it will be enough. No. No, it's better to not use it. So also small leather pieces for the eyes, and let's start to make it. I stick them. I will leave the boys to dry a little bit. Meanwhile, I have to make the girls. And again with glue. Okay, now I have to cut the holder part, so I will use a leather piece from here. I cut the black leather pieces, so the total length together with the metal parts has to be, let me check, 18 centimeters. Okay, let's check. If I cut longer piece, I will cut it. So yeah, it's okay. So now this one will be cut here, and the other one has to be made shorter. I have to add some glue to fix these parts and to fix them here and here. So it will be here. Now they are ready. I will leave them to dry a little bit. And now the girls. I will cut the holder part from a gold leather. This one. Yeah, here. Again, I have to add the metal parts like this, and the other one. And because we are making girls, so now I have to add the ribbons. I just made the pattern and the ribbon will be like this, or here I will see. So I have to cut it. For the ribbon I will use the gold leather. Let me find some piece here. Yeah, it's okay. So 2 shiny gold ribbons. The ribbons are ready, so they will be here like this, here and here. In the middle I will use small pink round pieces. I will just make it like this. Okay, this piece will be here, and this one will be here. But to complicate my life, I will add some small gold piece in the middle. So another small round part. Okay, it will be like this, and I have to cut another one because on top of it I will add a stud here and here. Our key holders are ready. They look like this. So now I have to cut the threads. Now I have to make the smile. So first I have to draw it, and after that I have to stitch it. So big large smile. Wish me luck. Like this. And on the other one. And now I have to stitch them. So the emojis are ready. Now I have to stick all these small parts for the ribbons. So drop of glue here too. Oh, I'm like a poet. And also in the middle. It will be here. And our girl will look like this. So it has to dry a little bit. Now let's make the other one. So here are the girls. They have to dry a little bit, and I will add the studs here and here. Now let's cut here. Okay, so now let's make the studs. Okay, the two pieces are ready. So now let's make the girls. Finally I will cut them because I want to fix also the ribbon. So Now the big one. Maybe I will use bigger stud. I will see. Let's try the bigger size. Perfect. You see, it has to be at least 2 millimeters, so the cap will be okay. This one too. It's done. Now the final touch to cut the leather and to see the final result. Okay, this one is ready, and the other one. Okay, now let's clean a little bit the place. Okay, my customer order is ready. So, Henry, I did everything you wanted. So, I hope all the band at home to be happy, including you. Tomorrow, your emojis will fly to you. So, my dears, that's all for today. Smiles and be happy. Bye. Subscribe if you like. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I wish you a wonderful day and big smiles. Surprise! And because today it's my smiley day, I wanted to surprise you with something else. So, what do you think? A cute fashion girl. I made the lips and also this funny hat. I hope you like it. Tell me what you think. Bye!